Okay, let me show us how we can use Google Docs, this application here, to edit our books. So for you to package your ebook, that means you need these two, the Google Docs and also the Microsoft Word. Now listen, I want to tell us something very important. Now remember I told us to download Google Docs. I also told us to download Google Drive. You understand? And also you must have signed in into your Gmail account. Now listen, what happens is this. Once you sign in into your Gmail account with your Android phone and also sign in with your Google Drive, okay, it automatically synchronizes with the Google Docs. You understand what I'm saying? It automatically synchronizes with the Google Docs. So let me show us something. I'm going to open the Google Docs now. I'm going to open this Google Docs. So download the Google Docs. I repeat again, download the Google Drive and also sign in with your Gmail account. I'm clicking on the Google Docs. Just watch what will happen. Now the Google Docs is showing things I have in my drive, okay? It's showing things I have uploaded, okay? Because if I click here now, you will see, okay, the Google Docs. Now what happens is this. It is showing that I'm signed in as you can see. So what did I click? I clicked on this place that has my picture, okay? So I'm clicking on it. I'm clicking on it. I'm not supposed to be doing all this, but it's for some people who are not maybe internet savvy. As you can see, it's displaying my Gmail account, okay? It's displaying my Gmail account. So the first thing you need to do is, like I said, in creating it, you must have used the Microsoft Word to edit your book. You come to this plus sign, okay? Click on it. You can decide to choose to work from a fresh template, or you work with a choosing template, whichever one, okay? If you work with a new template, that means you're creating from the scratch, okay? There's nothing wrong with it. You're typing your headings and everything from the scratch. That is just the difference, all right? But if you are working with if you are working with an already template, I'm deleting this. I'm moving this to trash. Remove this, move it to trash. If you are now working with an existing template, it will somehow give your background some beauty. So choose template, okay? Work with templates. Work with templates. So I'm clicking on the plus sign and I will choose template, okay? Then once I choose template, I'll go and choose the template I want. I want to work with this template right here, okay? I'll click on it. I'll click on it. Once I click on it, it will load up. It has opened. So what I need to do, I need to rename, okay? I need to rename this work. All right, so where am I clicking now? I'm clicking here, okay, to rename it. I've taken us on a tour, which means if you jumped the Google Docs background that I did a tour on, you may find it difficult here. So I'm clicking on the three dots and then I'm coming here to rename it. Okay, it's not here. Okay, so I want to rename it. So what I will do is I'll go back, okay? I'll go back. All right, just go back. It will take you to the home page. Now the home page it took me to, this is the work. So I want to rename that work first before I start. So what I'll do is I'll click on this three icon. All right, that is this three icon, the three dotted line. I'll click on it. Okay, go down, you will see rename. You understand? I'll click on it to rename it so that I can start working. So maybe I'm writing on, maybe let's say affiliate marketing, for example. Depending on what you're writing, can be on weight loss, affiliate marketing. Let me rename it. It didn't rename fully. Affiliate marketing. Okay, and then I click rename. Okay, so once I do that, I'll now come and click on the body of this work and then start what I'm doing. I'm clicking on the body. All right, it's opening. As you can see, the title is somewhere here. All right. So we are there. So what do we need to do? We click on this pencil icon to start editing the work. Click on the pencil icon. All right. Then the title of your book. So the title of my book, I want to say maybe let's say how to make money online, or I would say the stupid simple way of generating traffic. Okay, this is just from my head. All right, so you have the title of your book, you've downloaded your book from your site, you've recreated it, or understand, using the necessary tools. Okay, the simple way of generating traffic, the stupid simple way of generating traffic. So anybody who sees this title will be like, okay, let me see what he's talking about. You understand? So this is the subtitle. You understand? Okay, I will say here, the truth you never knew about traffic generation. So anybody who sees this, you understand, will like it. And listen carefully. The title is calling out the people who need this book. It's calling out affiliate marketers, content creators, people who are making sales, you understand, business. So the title of your book should call out your audience. So that is good. Okay, so if you decide to maybe tweak the title to change the positions, highlight, okay, highlight it. If you highlight it, you come here, whichever position you want it to be. Okay, I'm clicking there. If you want it to be on the center, as you can see, it's on the center. If you want it to be on the justified, it will be justified. If you want it to be on the right hand side, to be on the right hand side. So I would like it to be on the left hand side. Okay, so that is just it. Now, while editing your book, all right, just leave your book on this mobile mode. Let me show you something. If you go here, you will see print mode. I'm clicking on the three dotted line. Okay, as you can see print layout, it is off. So once it's off, it's on mobile view. So I'm putting it on. You can see this is the mobile view. So this, if I print this is how it's going to be. So you will use the print view to look at how the work will be, because once it's printed, look at the demarcations. But if you put it on mobile view, you won't see these demarcations. Okay, you won't see them. All right, you won't see them. You won't see these demarcations. So I'm going to put it back on the mobile view so I can walk. So I'm going here to put it back on the mobile view. Okay, I'm removing the print layout. All right. So right here now, I'm going to remove this picture and then insert the picture I want. That means the picture has to be your book cover, the book cover that you have downloaded and designed. So I'm going to click on the body of this work. Now look at what will happen here. Okay, now if I click on the body of this work, it will, these edges will turn blue, showing that it's editable. All right, so I'm going to click on it. Watch, as you can see the blue lines. So what I'm going to do is I want to remove this picture. So what I will do, once you click on it, you come to this pencil icon, because once it automatically saves, you can't edit again. So as you can see, it says changes saved. So once it says changes saved, you can't edit. So you just click on the pencil icon, to be able to edit. Now what I will do now is this. I'll come to this plus icon, okay, to remove this picture. So what I'll do is I'll click on the picture I've already clicked on. You can see the blue sign. I'm clicking on the plus sign now. As you can see, it's saying image. So I'm going to add my image. I'm clicking on the image. So I'm importing the image from my phone. If you want to import from web, automatically you're importing from your phone because you have used your Canva to design and you have also used your 3D mockup to design your 3D book cover. So I'm going to my photos and then, okay, so I've clicked on my photos. Then I'll click this book cover. That's the book cover I just want to use just for this tutorial. I'm clicking on it. It will load. As you can see, it has replaced that book. So the next thing I do, here that it said my name, I'll put my name here. Okay. Written by Ezibechidi. So I'll remove this name. I'll say written. All right. Then this address, I'll remove it because this is, I'm working on a template. All right. So this is it. Now, if I click on the print mode, I'm going to click on the print mode. Of course, I've showed us how to click on the print mode. 3 dots by the right hand side. I'm putting the print mode on. You can see. Let me zoom it in, please. You can see how it is, right? You can, what did you notice now? You can see that the introduction is not where it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be on this page, okay? So that is the beauty of the print mode. So you use it to know how the work will be when it is printed. So I'm going back to my phone mode. I'm removing the print layer so I can just work on the book. After working, I will just now the introduction. Now you now go to where you have your book that is in your Microsoft Word that you must have edited, paraphrased, corrected. Okay, then what do? You go there. I'm going to Microsoft Word to copy. I'm going to Microsoft Word to copy. All right, I'm going there to copy something and then I'm coming to paste, or I can just decide to write here. Okay, see, let me just write. But I'm just saying that for the sake of this class, because I don't want this video to be too lengthy, so I'm just going to copy and paste. Okay, so guys, I'm on my Microsoft Word right now. So where I've prepared my book, I'll simply highlight. Okay, copy. All right, copy, and then I'll go back to the doc. Okay, and then I'll paste what I've copied. I'll paste it. Okay, you see, so that's just it basically. So for if you want this format, if you want this book to be in this way, you can leave it. If you don't want, if you want to justify it, you just simply highlight. Okay, simply highlight, then you come to this place, then click on it, then click on this one, click on this. You will see all the text will align very well. Okay, have you seen it? All the text. So you basically just do that for the body of your work. Go to your Microsoft Word that you have used to prepare your work, you have edited and everything. Just simply copy them and then come to your Google Docs and also what, paste. Now for this, you just simply highlight it, and then select or no. Just delete the Chrome, the columns. Okay, you can see cut. Okay, you highlight, just tap it, just long press it, click here. Okay, delete table. All right, so that is basically the way it works. Now I want to also show us something. Now maybe you are writing a book, okay, and maybe you are an affiliate marketer, you're a content creator, and also you want to use your book to also advertise, you understand, your products. There's what we call hyperlinking. That is what the Google Docs helps you to do. Maybe you're talking about to get a copy. Maybe you're giving out this book free. So to get a copy, you're using this book to advertise another thing. To get a copy of my book on how to, I'm just randomizing how to quit that relationship, or how to quit that relationship. Click on the link. Click on the link below. Just watch what will happen. Now, I will say get the book now, or get the book on Seller. Seller is a selling platform, okay? So what I will do now, I'll get this book on Seller. I will highlight it and then bold it, all right? I'm clicking on bold. I'll click on bold. Okay, it has bolded. And then I will now come to this place. Okay, I've highlighted it, I've bolded it. I will now come to this plus sign. Click on this plus sign, okay? Click on it. You will see link. You will see comment, you will see image. The same place we went and got our image. So this time around, what you want to do is to click on link, okay? So we'll click on link. Now, you put in the link. You put in the link to your store, okay? Once that is done, you click on this blue button. It automatically hyperlink it. As you can see, this get the book on Seller is now a link. So if I tap on it, look at what will happen. It is showing edit link, and it is also showing Chrome. So once you give out this book, once anybody taps on it, if you convert it to PDF, anybody that taps on it, it automatically brings the person, okay, to Seller. Am I communicating? So that is just it, all right? So that is the beauty of Google Docs, which the Microsoft Word will not do for you. So once you're done with everything, once you're done writing, once you're done arranging, you understand, you click here, this arrow sign to save, okay? Click on it. You can see it says all changes saved. All right, that is after you are done. So the next thing you need to do is to generate a link for this book. All right, you generate a link, because the link is what you're going to use to sell it. It's a digital product. So once somebody pays for it, you understand, you simply send the person the link. Or if you want to sell it on Seller, you simply put the link on the payment gateway. Anybody that clicks on it, the person will have access to it if you're selling it on Seller. But if you're selling it on your own through maybe Facebook or through maybe your WhatsApp marketing platform, you just send the link, or anybody that sends you money, you confirm the payment, you send the link, the person can download the book from Google Drive. You understand? So what you need to do is you go to this place, all right, the three dotted line. You've arranged your book, you go to the three dotted line. Make sure you print the print mode, put it on, okay? So you can see how it is. As you can see now, you can see that this introduction is here, and it's not good. Look at the line demarcating it. So you can now use the print mode, all right? Click on it. That is, click on this pencil icon to start editing, all right? Just click on it and then zoom it in. Zoom it in. Zoom it in. I've zoomed it in. So this introduction, you can see I'll bring it down. Do it, go through your book, because this is something you're selling. The testimonial is very necessary. So you don't have to sell a book that at the end of the day, the testimonial will be very bad. That book typographical error is not well arranged. You understand? So once you are comfortable with all this, you come back here and click this button to now save finally. Okay? Now click on it. You can see it's saying saving. All right? It's saying saving. And once it's done, it will say what? Saved. Okay? So once it is saved, so what do? You come back to this place again. Come back to that place. Click on it. And then click on it. And then what you will do is this. Come to share and export. Come to share and export. Share and export. All right. Click on it. Click on share and export. You will see save as. Okay? You will see save as. Save as is if you want to download it as a PDF, you want to save it as a PDF, you can share directly. But first of all, convert to PDF, okay? So that whenever you give someone access to the book, it can be editable, because if you share it like this, it might be editable, all right? So what you need to do is save as. So once you click on save as, please watch what will happen. As you can see, this is on Word, which we don't want. We want it to be saved on PDF. So you tick this PDF. You tick this one, okay? So I'm going to tick PDF. Okay. Then the next thing is I click OK. I click OK. I click OK. It is saving. It is saving. So this work has saved as PDF. It is opening. Now, as you can see, it is opening as a PDF file. It is boldly written here, PDF. So anybody that I'm sending this work to, I'm sending it as a PDF. I've been able to automatically send it to them. So when you send this link to someone, okay, this is the way the book will appear to that person. And the person can simply click on this download button and download from his or her end. So let me show you how to get the link. Now, for you to get this link to share now, what you need to do, for you to share your link, now what you need to do is go to this place, all right? That this three dotted line. I'm being careful so that this thing doesn't go. This three dotted line, okay? Click on it. You will see share will come out. You will see share. Click on that share. Click on that share. Now it will load up.